Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's encode the logic. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to discuss about operators precedence and associativity. Before watching this video, I have already made a video on operators in Python. So go there and watch that video and come back to this video. I will provide the link in the description box. Please check it. Now, in the previous video, we have discussed that the Python supports different types of operators. They are arithmetic operators, comparison or relational operators, assignment, logical, unary, bitwise, membership, and operators. Now, what is operators precedent and why do we need to learn this operators precedent? In Python, operators have different levels of precedence. Precedence nothing but priority, which determine the order in which they are evaluated. For suppose, let us consider an expression. 5 minus 3 into 6. Let us compute this expression. 5 minus 3, which means 2. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Okay. There is also another way to solve this expression. I will do 3 into 6 first, which is 18. And I will do 5 minus 18, which is minus 13. Now, what happened? If we followed the first way, it has given me an output of 12. And the second way, minus 13. The answer was not matched. So this expression has two answers, but there should be only one answer, right? So in this case, Python provided operators precedence. Precedence is nothing but priority. And this table is the priority table, precedence table. The first priority goes to this exponentation. And the second priority was the complement, unary plus and unary minus. And third priority was multiplication, divisions, modulo, and floor division. And the fourth priority was plus and minus. And fifth was right and left bitwise shift, and then bitwise end. Later, bitwise or regular bitwise or. And next one is comparison operators, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than, greater than, and equality operators. And then next, these assignment operators, and then these INT operators, membership operators, logical operators. So highest priority was given to this exponentation, and the lowest priority was to not, or, and, the logical operators. Now, let's use this precedence property, and now let's calculate this equation. So now let's see. We have the operators minus and the asterisk, the multiplication symbol. So we'll go and check in the precedence table. Third priority is for asterisk, and the fourth priority is for the minus, right? So now we need to calculate 3 into 6 first. Means that was 18, and later we do 5 minus 18. So as per the precedence, as per the priority, this is the correct answer. Now let's check how the Python will give the answer for this expression. I will do 5 minus 3 into 6. It has given me minus 13. Okay. Let's do another one. And the next expression was 2 into 3 power 4. 162. So now the Python will compute 3 power 4 first. 3 power 4 was 81. And it will do into 2. 81 into 2, that was 162. Because the power symbol, exponentation, will get the higher priority, the first priority. Okay. Till now, it was clear. Now, then what is this associativity? Now, let me give you another expression also. 100 by 10 into 10. Okay, let us solve this. First, we need to find out the priority of the first operator, that was division. Okay, this was holding the third priority. Okay. And then we need to find out the asterisk priority, that was 3. Oops. Then what do we need to do? Both are holding same priority. If we do 100 by 100 first, it will give me 10, and 10 into 10, this will give me 100 as the output. And if I do 10 into 10 first, it will give me 100, and 100 by 100 will give me 1. Then what should I need to do? Both are giving different answers, but both are having same priority. But in this case, also Python has a solution. And the Python provide a beautiful solution, that was associativity. The associativity of Python operators is, if an expression contains 2 or more operators with the same precedence, then operators associativity is used to determine. The associativity property states that if the precedence is matched, if that was equal, then we need to follow the left to right approach. So in this case, the left to right approach will be from this side to this side. So now we need to solve first this equation, 100 by 10. That was 10. 10 into 10, it will be 100. So this is the correct answer. Now let's solve this equation also. 100 by 10 into 10. See, if you see, 100. Yeah. So that's it about operators precedence and associativity. I hope you guys like this video, and thank you for watching this video. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this coding tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coding buddies, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means a lot and it helps our community grow. Happy coding!